Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all my finished jewelry for the dollar bead box for April of 2024. Now I do have, I don't know if you're familiar with dollar bead box, but I do have a coupon off for $2 off your first order with them. It's BNJewelry2. I will leave a link to their website below along with my coupon code. So to get started, I will start with, this was my first tutorial from them. This is a really cool necklace that I had made. And I will leave a link below to the full tutorial for this. So I ended up sewing this together with a needle and thread. And then I took a wire and I just added it up through that fire polish. Because I wanted the necklace to be more firm, like with the wire, but I wanted to be able to sew this to get everything, you know, it would have been too stiff. So I've been doing this lately, intertwining stuff like that. So yeah, so this was my first one that I did. And then I used their little, forgot what these were called. The tiny little beads, and then I used my 3 and 4 millimeter fire polish beads, the Slipperit bead, and then some of the Druck beads, and then I used some of my 11 Miyuki seed beads, and then I just kind of intertwined it up there, and I love that little silver up at the top. I think this turned out so pretty. So yes, I have the tutorial for this. I will post that below. And now, second one. Now, I didn't have a tutorial for this, but I love the way this turned out. I made another one of my little bar necklaces. I've been loving these lately, making these. So this is just some of my, transparent fuchsia 11 check seed beads. And then I just kind of intertwined them with the 2 different colors of 4 millimeter fire polish beads. And then brought those in there. And so this was sewn, like I did with the other one. And then this was the beading wire. This is, where is it at? I'm not sure where my beading wire is at. Okay. I threw it out. Okay. So anyway, it's this, and then I just did the blue and then the AB blue and put all that together with the silver lobster clasp. And I love the way these turned out. I've been making these for a while now, and I have some that are like a red with gold, and those are really pretty. And then these were just some fun earrings I was just messing around making. I like the way these turned out. I just put fire polish in the middle. It was kind of like little star earrings. These were really fun to make. So I have these using those same fire polish beads. Then I have, this was I have a earring, I had 8 earring tutorial. I did a series of earring tutorials. There was 8 of them. This was number 8. So I used these beads from the dollar bead box, and I will leave links below to this tutorial as well. So if you would like to learn how to make these were sewn, and then I just did a wire guard up there. And then I went through here 3 times and I sewed the seed beads in there just so that it, so you could see the front of this, the way they are. So I went through once, then I added seed beads at the top, and then I had seed beads in the front for the third one. So these turned out really good. Let me lay these down. Okay, so I have those. Oh, this is number 8. I don't want to forget these. And then for number 5, these were really fun. And I used the flower beads, and I made these little flower earrings using the 3mm fire polish ABs and those little flower beads. And there's a tutorial for this as well. This is number 5. And this is really easy to do. It's just really pretty. And I don't know if you noticed, but like for these earrings, the black ones, I've been using the hypoallergenic black ear wires because I think it just finishes it off better. Like for these, I used silver because there was silver in it. But like for this, there's really no metal look to there. So I used the black just so, I don't know, I liked the way this looked. So I have those. And then my last one, last but not least, and this, a lot of you people really like these. This was number 7. And this was using those, the 1-hole lentil beads. And I intertwined them. Let me see if I can put one on here. Because there's so much black on black. I had a little problem when I was doing the tutorial because I was trying to see the beads to do it and I messed up. I had to restart the video again. But it's just because there was so much black on black. You know, so it wasn't, sometimes you can't tell where it's going, but yeah. So this was the number 7 tutorial. So I have 4 tutorials from this. I have this necklace. And then 1, 2, 3 of these. So I had so much fun this month doing the earring tutorial, and then I did a couple for Adornable Elements, one for Potomac Beads, and one for Panda Hall. So yeah, you definitely need to check those out. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I'll leave a link below, and I'll leave a link to all the tutorials. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have so many tutorials and just fun projects that I'm working on coming up this summer. So we're going to have a lot of fun. And I will leave links to my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest below. And I hope you enjoyed this finished jewelry tutorial. And I will see you on my next one. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.